Welcome to an EdTech Team video tutorial. During this particular session, we're going to take a look at how to get into your Level 1 certification portion of the training center so that you can take your exam. So quite a few steps that you have to do. First of all, you have to get to the main landing page of the certifications, which is what you see on your screen here. Once you're there, you'll be able to scroll through and you'll find Educator Level 1 as well as Level 2. What you want to do then is to take a look at Level 1. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And it'll take you to a landing page that looks like this one, where it breaks down 3 different sections for you. The Training Center, which is where you want to go in to certainly prepare for the exam. The second part is to see some example questions, the kinds of questions you can anticipate to see in the actual exam itself. And lastly, a little bit of information, sort of an FAQ on the different bits of information that you would find or that you would need to know when taking the exam. So definitely something worth taking a look at before you dive into to take your exam. So 3 different sections here that you would want to explore. Once you've done that, and for the purpose of this video, we're going to assume that you've gone through all 3 of these different sections, especially the first one, which is all about diving into the course and going through the units and lessons and completing that. So let's assume once again that you've completed that part. So now you're ready to actually register for your exam. So you're going to find a button down below that section where it says register for the Level 1 exam. Go ahead and click on that button. And that's going to take us to another page, which really is a different portal. We've actually moved away from the training center. You'll notice the web address indicates that you are now on a different website. So what you want to do here is to register for your exam, and you'll find that button up here at the top. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. So I can go ahead and register, and of course we're looking for the educator certification. So I'm going to drop that menu down, and I'm going to go ahead and select Level 1 because this is the one that I actually want to take. So you'd be selecting this one here so that you can go ahead and process that and be able to get through the payment process. So that's how you get to this section here. You'd be doing the same thing if you were trying to take Level 2. For those of you who are trainers, you would certainly be able to get to the same thing as you see here to be able to buy that exam as well. Now, I've already purchased these exams, which is why you don't see the Buy Now button. You would see this button down here, which is what you see here for this one. So you'd click on Buy Now, and then once you get through into the next section, you're going to see, as you're checking out, you'll see that there's a price associated if you have a voucher code. This is where you would put in your voucher code and then click on the Redeem button. Once you click on Redeem, then it'll go from being whatever cost you have up here to a 0 balance so that you can then check out without having to pay. So that is how you get this portion processed.